All right, y'all. We're gonna try to get some of this rust off and put some paint on this frame. I'm not gonna worry about these leaf springs because I'm gonna replace them later. I'm gonna try to get this frame looking a little better. I'm not gonna go all the way up under the truck, just right here in this wheel well. I already put some black paint up here. I'm gonna try to clean that up too. And we'll show y'all what we got going on. Put a little masking tape on there and gave it a little wipe down. I'm finna spray some Rust-Oleum on there. You see how that looks. Try to keep it cleaned up a little bit. I'm going to stick that piece right in there. Try to keep the paint off of that fuel line. I say I am. Aluminum foil would be real good for this right here. This little hole right here. Eventually, one day, I'd like to take the body off and do the whole thing, but for now, I'm just gonna do this. And it's just gonna be for cosmetics. Putting some makeup on some rust, pretty much. Don't breathe none of this stuff in, it'll give you a buzz. I didn't mask off that bump stop either. I don't figure it's probably gonna stay on there no way. Didn't expect it to be that shiny, but you know, that'll be all right too. All right, I'm gonna do the rest of them and then we'll get back with y'all and see how it looks. We got some paint put on here. Got the fender wells painted. Got some of the frame painted. Just trying to make it look a little better. Just cosmetic stuff. I'm gonna walk around to the other side and show y'all what it looks like with the wheels mocked up. I didn't mount them on there yet. I got some other work to do, so I'm gonna keep the wheels off of it. Keep it up on jack stands, and hopefully we're gonna be able to lower this thing here in a few days anyway. Y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, check out my other videos. Appreciate y'all watching.